niggas envy, Blicky got the stiffy, got blicky, drumming hoes, flippy,
Literally not. She's literally so ratchet. Hit me, bitch. Oh, can you imagine me and you actually got in a fight? I'll be way more. Stop! Stop!
Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Brr, brr, bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodger X, niggas know who it was. They storing shit.
What the fuck? Go back and redo it.
Yeah, I'm everywhere. Ain't no running, Tatiana. Gonna take it. Yeah, now make that shit clap on the gap. Now took that thing up, throw that shit back. I need my shit back.
Go.
Funny that actually hurts. That bitch.
Don't be mad at me. Then a nigga relapsed on the dead lows. Ain't no running, Tatiana. You gonna take these damn shots.
Doesn't even know what grammar is. The fuck is grammar?
Get me on the block, block, baby, what? Get me on the block, baby. 32 shot, block, baby, what? 32 shot, baby. Get me.
Hit me my tit again. They're not frozen yet. My Gatorade's not cold, so I'm drinking a popsicle. Yeah! Oh my god. Did you guys see that? Let's go. I just accidentally hit it on top of that roof. She caught me. Okay, go get it. I'm through some stuff right now, guys. Hey! Change of plans. We're in the car. Where's the light bulb? We're going to. Where are we going? Is Dawn driving? Yes. Yeah. You get the cigarette ashes. My tan line. Don't forget the shirt. We don't approve this message. We don't approve. So long we haven't. Jeez. They're making out. No cadoodling on the couch. No cadoodling on the couch. Oh. Oh.
Is what they said, that you're looking for a boyfriend. I see that.
I'm just standing here. Can you use...
Oh, stinky.
It's really ran over. Yeah, I can't see. We're gonna count a fucking thing. Holy fucking shit. We only have 30 minutes. Our grandma is screaming at us. She was screaming at us. Oh my god, it's a bear!
Side.
The delivery was very nice looking. Sweet chocolate. Probably getting again later, right, ladies?
We're eating it twice today.
Twice in one day. A little ASMR for you guys. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. This burrito is fat as fuck. Does it look good, guys? Does it look nice and cooked? Okay, bye. Say bye. I got a girl. Can it see me?
I don't think so.
Can it see me now?
Go. Yeah.
Come on!
Oh my gosh!
Lock her out. Wait! Stay right there. Let me get you a towel. Stay! Vlog, we're watching Annabelle. I gotta go wash my hands. 1, 2, 3. Hey y'all. We're doing a mukbang today, as y'all can see from the title / Corona.
Let's do our
We got
first.
Chick-fil-A's. I'm drinking a caramel iced coffee.
I'm drinking
This
a
is no pickles.
Kickstart
This
pineapple
is
orange
Sophie's.
mango.
Ew, it feels so soggy. Yeah, I'm recording that. Yeah, we usually stick to Popeyes, but a bitch was closed. Oh, my cousin. I got chicken nuggets and fries.
I got this.
I got the good old spicy chicken sandwich deluxe. You already know.
I got
Open it.
a Chick-fil-A sandwich with no pickles.
It's like a spicy chicken, but with nothing on it because you're fucking plain. Oh, and they got some.
Can I eat it yet?
Hold on.
Please.
Oh my fucking god, this is good.
Can you?
Leave your
Get
comments. in the trash. I got two, but I got the good old grass.
I had to make a couple bands by my lonely.
It's kind of nervous. So good.
So, we went to Family Dollar, right?
Oh,
And don't come for me. And so Cammy was sneezing.
we're in line. Paying for our food. I mean, our
I love how
snacks.
you just try to take the story I was telling.
Because you fucking leave out everything.
No, I didn't.
Who's it about, though? You don't give it no
I
context.
just
no-
started.
Anyways. And Cammy felt a little snuffle going on. And what happened, Sophie?
She sneezes
Twice.
twice.
And this bald-headed ass girl pulls out a can of disinfectant spray and literally sprays us. I really mess with this. One bite. It's not spicy at all.
Who? Sandwiches aren't that filling.
Yeah.
So we hear our grandparents.
Sophie, shut up. We was walking back from the dollar store earlier after we had got rudely sprayed. And it was literally pouring raining and we had to walk all the way home in the rain. And now we all have Ebola. Don't scream my ear, bitch. Right now, we're gonna do a try not to laugh with an old YouTube video. Don't come for me, I still have a PlayStation 3. I'm about to get a 5, bitches.
Have a good day.
Try to take the story I was telling.
Because you fucking leave out everything.
No, I didn't.
Who's it about, though?
Hey guys, it's Krista. I mean Cammy and Krista.
So today we're going to be having Bible studies just for you, Jacob.
Yes.
Okay. We're at Chipotle. And they forgot to give her quesadilla. Literally. Yeah, bye guys. We're going to eat the skin, right ladies? Please stop cussing. It's Cammy, I don't care. They don't care if I cuss. They don't like soap.
Jacob does.
Salads and shit. The guy all looks gross. See, that's so easy. Yeah, that's that. Oh my.
What do we have here?
You are currently listening to Poop jvutt by Kristen and Cammy. Here, we have the very famous spot where Dayton Demons was filmed.
Was it really?
If you go down that street, another song by Eric the Demon was filmed just in the house down the street. Just in. Ah, fuck that. You wanna go set a play now? And play? Yeah. Basketball, bitch. You said yeah? Yeah. Okay. Bye, Spice. Should I wear my Crocs? Should I wear my sandals? Sure. Oh, my grandpa's downstairs.
I'll stay up here.
Look how orange you fucking look, girl. Waiting on Cammy's ABC Super. Alright, so we're trying to figure out the night I'm off so you guys can go.
So what are we?
Huh? Where are we? So technically here at Graven. Hey guys, welcome back. Cammy here.
How to dirty, you know why? Cause all the girls love me. Hey.
I lost my bracelet in the sack of potatoes at work. Oh my god. What can we drink now?
There's nothing to wear.
Why did a shark bite me though? Why'd they put sharks in my drink though? I was like, I think there's a fucking shark in my drink. Guys, calm down. Be low.
Krista, if you're watching this, I'm sorry for taking some of your sweet and sour sauce.
Hey, ready? 4. We didn't do an intro, so this is what we gotta do. Ready? I'm eating nuggets. You crunched me.
2012. Yeah. We back up.
You forgot an apple. Okay, so we both have hiccups. It's gonna make me have shark boy lava. I wish. Hey guys, it's Cammy and Krista. Electrocuted every time we go to take a drink. Ever? Just listen.
Ball. Okay, hello poop jvutters. I'm coming on here to say that this is part 1 to more parts because there's a lot of footage or whatever. I just wanted to make an announcement that me and Krista don't look like that anymore. We both look different, so if this is your first time watching our YouTube channel, we don't look like that no more. Thanks for watching.
He got caught up for a chicken. I can't fuck that bitch if she ain't worth at least a ticket. And we keep that side, but I had got up off a midget. She love me cause I'm a winner. I can't take that bitch to dinner. First time I had got a plug, he put that pack inside a fender. If I don't know you, I can't front you if you